Welcome back, fellow citizens of Jar, Deron, Super President. This is a show in which we try to build our own country, take over the entire universe, and fix all the universe's problems. If that sounds like something you think you might like, please hit the subscribe button down below and be counted as a citizen to join us on our path to glory. I've always been very curious as I grow up the different ways I could take over the entire universe. Of course, there's military conquest, there's social conquest, cultural conquest, and all other forms of domination, but I always wondered, how much would it be to just buy everything? Weirdly enough, at least part of this equation has been done for me. There was a study that made the rounds on all the different sites a few years ago, which is still probably wrong, but it's a good estimate, saying that all of the land on the entire planet of Earth was $217 trillion of value, which if you saved a penny a day, it would be a while. It's like $3.50 a year. Honestly, people, we should save more than that. That's all the property that's on Earth and the value of its sale and stuff. And this is also from a few years ago, so inflation has taken hold a bit. But people also need to remember that Earth has about 70% water on it, meaning to buy the entire surface area of Earth, if you could buy an individual bit of the ocean, to make pirates sad, I guess, would be $723 trillion. Why not figure out something a little bit more specific? So I went down and went, so 1 square kilometer is $6,743.09. We know now the value of 1 each kilometer, and now we can look up the size of different things and how much they would roughly cost. So let's say you wanted to buy Russia. Just all of it. $115,139,610,368. Meaning, our golden good friend Pluto, by this math, would only be $118,998,647,057.08. Now I see those pennies. See, they're adding up now. We could theoretically buy Pluto, if you could buy Pluto. Then you get into more interesting ones. So the highest goal on our Patreon right now is to buy Australia. And I wanted to know, how much would it actually be to buy Australia? So buying Australia would only be $51,867,848,280. And people are like, that doesn't, I have a pillow and like $4. And it's like, at least you can sleep and cradle your $4 a night. Wink. But that also means that currently on this planet, there are currently 7 people rich enough to buy all of Australia in terms of the land, including Brad Zuckerberg, our funnel friend Bill, Warren Buffett, and that Amazon dude Jeff Bezos. Meaning I think we should make the wealthiest country in the world also have some sort of wealthy corporation or person behind it. I mean, I'd love to be fabulously wealthy, and we should have some sort of JarCore Incorporated, copyrighted, trademarked, 2037. So they know it stays for a while. I think it's a good time to do our World Domination Fund. Now we know that $217 trillion is our goal in order to buy all the lands of the planet. And which amazing, fabulous amount of money do I have today? It's a bus token from Toronto. It's like 3,500 kilometers from where I am. Another day, another bus token. So here's to us getting $217 trillion and buying everything. So this is your super presidential candidate Deron signing off for this week saying, welcome to Jar. Jar takes all kinds, and your family now. Please join us this week and every week. We go every single Monday and Friday. Check the description for links to our various properties and things. And please join us again on Monday for our community show as we answer all of the comments and questions we have about this. And I'll leave you, as always, with our viewer-submitted motto for Jar, which is, we are Jar. If you love Jar, you love us. We'll see you on Monday.